Hey there everyone, today we're unboxing another Oris watch, as you can see by this gray box. And the watch we're looking at is one of Oris's aviation watches, the Oris Big Crown ProPilot. And this particular model, we'll take a look and see. It's got the steel bracelet and the blue face. So there you got the warranty. The new warranties have these white cards, and let's take a look. Here we can see it wrapped in beautiful plastic. Just kidding. Give me a minute, I'll take the plastic out with movie magic and we'll get to take a look at this wonderful watch. So what we've got here is the Oris Big Crown ProPilot blue face with the stainless bracelet. And here the blue face looks a little darker than it really is in real life. I'm going to show you a couple different angles so you get a better idea of how the color is on the face, because that's one of the distinctive factors of this watch. So here you can see it. It's almost, it's got a little bit of a gradient to it, but it's a matte finish. The numbers are really easy to see again. It's got a sapphire crystal. And you can see they call it Big Crown because it's got the bigger crowns than normal on watches. The reason why it has a big crown is so it's easier for pilots to use the watch, mainly when they used to be wearing gloves. And here you can see the red rotor in the back. Oris is, famous for their red rotor. It's got the movement there. And this model is 0175276984065, and the band number dash 0782219. The power reserve on this watch is 38 hours. It is 26 joule. The watch is 45 millimeters, that's about 1 3/4 inches, and it's a stainless steel case, stainless steel bracelet. The water resistance for the watch is 10 bar, and for those of you who like to change the straps, you're looking at a 22 millimeter size here. And you can see the simplicity of the watch. It's really nice. I'm showing you different angles so you get a better idea of the blue face. It's a matte gradient blue, like I said before. It's really quite striking. It's a watch that gets a little more attention than the other Oris Big Crown ProPilots, and that's because of the blue face. This one here, to me, feels more at home, like gives you kind of like a coastal vibe because the blue is a little more relaxed than the other styles, like the black face and the gray face. Gray face feels more business-like, and the black face feels more military. So even though they're the same watch, they've all got different personalities when you look at it. Here you can see the watch on my wrist. I've got about a 7.5 inch wrist, and as I told you before, the size is 45 millimeters. It's a good sized watch. And here it is in the dark. Thank you.